Right, so the plan for today is to start trimming this dude up. Trimming the one for the front, fitting them on, mock fitting them. I got some drywall screws that I'm just gonna go through the fender with, just to hold it in place, and on the bumper as well. Then yeah, I'm gonna do the same. Once I make these holes here, I've committed to doing this body kit, and there's no turning back. And then from there we're gonna start sanding it up. I'm gonna start with this side sail pieces here also. I just want to get them looking good also. Not exactly 100% sure about that shape though yet, but for now it will be perfect. Maybe afterwards I'll think about, maybe once I have a wheel, maybe putting a piece that comes from the bottom like this, that just joins onto the thing, but then this whole piece here is open, and then you'll be able to see the wheel like that. I love the look of tires, so that's what I'm thinking of maybe doing. And yeah, let's hope today goes well. I have quite a bit of time today to actually do this, so yeah, pray for me. Cool, so we pulled off almost everything here. Now I'm going to mock fit this thing on and then take it from there. So this is where we're at currently. I've test fitted the thing, basically took out everything under. Now I've drawn my lines for me to trim it up, and I did the same in the back. The back piece is humongous. I'm gonna trim it all up now. I'm gonna put it back on, see how it looks, then I can adjust as I need to. This is how it's looking right now. I mean, I don't know. So where we at now is, I just rinse this car down after I sanded it. Everything is trimmed up, everything is mock fitted. So you can see I'm busy sanding now. I cut out the vent. I'm gonna 3D print a piece there to go there. I'm gonna see if I can find somebody to 3D print something. I'm gonna ask one of my work friends. And then here in the back, cut out this vent, cut out the petrol flap little piece, and trimmed it all down. So you can see from here, it's looking pretty decent. If there was a thick wheel there, you'd see the wheel through that vent, which is going to be awesome in my opinion. And then from this side here, it's looking also quite decent in my humble opinion. Needs to be sanded down, needs to be fixed up, but I mean, those are just semantics. The side sail pieces I'll do after I've completely done this thing, sprayed them and fitted them, finished, just so that I get the side sails right the first time around. Yeah, that's it for today. As you can see, my arms, my body is all white, my pants is white. People out here changing genders. I am contemplating changing my race, but being a brown curry magnet isn't so bad. So yeah, that's it for today. Till we meet again. Cool, so today we are going to be cleaning up these pieces. here all of these lines need to be straightened out, and then we're gonna fix up this curve, and then we're gonna be doing the same in the back here, fixing up this top line, making it nice and straight, filling where we need to fill, and sanding it down. So we shall be taking it from there. Yo, what up fams? So this is how far we got today. Ignore the barking dog in the background, but put some filler on it. Started straightening it out. Still needs quite a bit of body work to be done on it. A lot of prep still needs to be done. I'm actually thinking of making these vents here out of what's this thing? Perspex. Yeah, because I know somebody that does the perspex, so I'm thinking maybe making it out of perspex. In the back here, added some layers of fiberglass onto it, just to reinforce it a little bit more, and then started sanding it on the top. Unfortunately, I have to cut there again and there, and yeah. But I'm actually hoping to just get it done with some sandpaper, and then yeah, in the back I need to do a trim there again. So yeah, that's the update for this weekend. I will see you guys soon. Cheers.